Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a free garage slot and about $1,000 in bank to cover fees. Once done, load story mode and open the online menu. This bridges systems. You then summon or drive the vehicle you want online. Make sure it's a personal vehicle or eligible car. If it's parked nearby, drive it to the import/transfer location for the next step. This establishes the transfer link that online requires before any export or insurance step. You now focus on the complex middle steps: secure insurance and a tracker so online recognizes ownership. Drive to Los Santos Customs or use the interaction menu, buy insurance and add a tracker. This converts the car into an insurable online asset. Once insured, make mandatory mod adjustments if required, but avoid prohibited extras that block transfers. If the car is a special story model, you may need to use approved export locations or mission triggers to finalize compatibility. You finish by switching to your online character and calling the vehicle. If it doesn't appear, use the online menu to import or claim the insured car. Make sure you assign it to an empty garage slot and verify ownership in the garage screen. If something goes wrong, try a simple fix. Leave the session, rejoin, and re-trigger insurance/transfer steps. If still missing, restore from your last story save or reapply insurance. This usually resolves synchronization hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.